Ever wondered what the top health-related questions were in 2023? As the world turns more and more to the internet for answers, Google has become our go-to doctor for all things health-related. From worries about a sudden rash to questions about the best diet for high cholesterol, it seems there's no health concern too big or small for Dr. Google. But what were the burning health questions that had us typing away in 2023? Why does the general public turn to Google with their health queries? Is it convenience, curiosity, or a mix of both? Let's dive into the top 10 health queries that people put forth to Dr. Google in 2023. Starting at number 10, the question was, what causes strep throat? Strep throat is an infection caused by a specific type of bacteria known as streptococcus. The symptoms can include fever, pain when swallowing, and swollen tonsils. It's most commonly spread through respiratory droplets, so practicing good hygiene like washing your hands regularly and avoiding close contact with sick individuals can help prevent it. Moving on to number 9, we had a question about managing cholesterol levels. How can I lower my cholesterol? Cholesterol can be managed through a healthy diet and regular exercise. Specifically, a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help. Regular physical activity is also crucial. But remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet or exercise routine. Coming in at number 8 was a query about bloating. What causes bloating? Bloating can be caused by a variety of factors, including constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, and certain medications. Dietary changes like reducing the intake of gas-producing foods can help. Regular physical activity and drinking plenty of water can also aid in reducing bloating. At number 7, many of you were curious about low blood pressure. What causes low blood pressure? Low blood pressure can be a result of numerous factors, including prolonged bed rest, certain medications, or even dehydration. It's important to discuss persistent low blood pressure with a healthcare provider, as it could indicate underlying health issues. Finally, at number 6, you asked, what causes common warts? Common warts are caused by the human papillomavirus, also known as HPV. They can spread through skin-to-skin contact or indirectly through objects like towels or shoes. To prevent warts, avoid direct skin contact with warts and avoid using items that have been in contact with a wart. Halfway through, moving on to the top 5 health questions of 2023. At number 5, people asked, what causes nausea? Well, nausea is a symptom, not a disease, and it can be a sign of several different conditions. Some of the most common causes include digestive disorders, pregnancy, and sometimes even intense pain. It's always wise to consult a healthcare professional if you're experiencing persistent nausea. Moving on to the 4th most asked question. What is preeclampsia? Preeclampsia is a potentially dangerous pregnancy complication characterized by high blood pressure. It typically begins after 20 weeks of pregnancy in women whose blood pressure had been normal. Early detection and regular prenatal care can help manage this condition, so remember to keep up with your doctor's appointments if you're expecting. At number 3, we have a universal concern: how to treat snoring. Lifestyle changes can often help reduce snoring. These include maintaining a healthy weight, sleeping on your side, and avoiding alcohol before bedtime. If these measures don't work, it may be time to speak to a healthcare provider, as persistent snoring can sometimes indicate a more serious condition like sleep apnea. The penultimate query that made it to our list is, what causes warts? Most common warts are caused by an infection with the human papillomavirus, HPV. The virus causes an excess amount of keratin, a hard protein, to develop in the top skin layer, epidermis. The extra keratin produces the rough, hard texture of a wart. And drumroll, please. The most asked health question of 2023 was, how long does food poisoning last? Well, food poisoning can last from a day to over 10 days depending on the germ causing it. It's crucial to stay hydrated and rest while your body fights off the infection. If symptoms persist, seek medical attention. And that was the number 1 health question of 2023. That wraps up the top 10 health questions that people asked Dr. Google in 2023. It's enlightening to see how increasingly people are turning to the internet for answers to their health concerns. However, let's not forget that while Dr. Google can provide general insights, it can't replace the personalized advice of a healthcare professional. So while it's wonderful to stay informed and proactive about your health, always consult a healthcare professional for any health concerns. After all, every individual is unique and so is their health. Remember, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for any health concerns. Stay healthy, everyone.